Looking for the best brad nailers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 brad nailers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Hitachi 18-gauge brad nailer. Works with 18-gauge brad nails ranging in size from 0.625 to 2 inches. Well-designed brad nailer that includes comfortable hand grip and lightweight body. Can clear jams easily without the need for tools. Allows for use of brad nails with varying head sizes. Exhaust vent can be rotated 360 degrees. Good set of features in a brad nailer. Can adjust nail depth to handle many types of jobs. May experience misfires more often than with some other models. At number 2. Wen 18-gauge brad nailer. Supports 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 0.75 inches to 2 inches. Handle has rubber grip for excellent handling and comfort. Clearing jams is easy. Oil and adjustment wrenches are included, making this low price tool an even better value. Can direct the exhaust to avoid air in your face. Very low price for a brad nailer. Lightweight body makes it easy to use this tool all day long. Probably not powerful enough for certain construction jobs. At number 1. Bostitch Smartpoint 18-gauge brad nailer kit. Works with a variety of lengths of 18-gauge brad nails from 0.625 to 2.125 inches. Easy to remove any jams that occur without need for tools. Multiple operation modes for a variety of jobs. Exhaust in the rear to keep expelled air out of the operator's face. Doesn't require oil, which reduces mess. Allows for precise placement of nail with design of nose. Excellent quality from trusted brand. Larger than average size brad nailer, which limits work in tight spaces. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.